Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to customize craft theme collection page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have designed your Shopify online store with craft theme and now you wanted to make it more professional, more user friendly and customize it as your requirement, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here is my one of Shopify online store that I have designed with craft theme and I wanted to customize the collection page. So I'm going to a collection page. So click on this collection name and looks here there are 4 product right now in this collection. Okay, and to customize I'm going to my admin panel, then click on the online store, click on the customize button and open it in a new tab. Then click on this icon, click on the collections, click on this default collection menu. Okay, we are right now in the collection page and now we are going to customize it as our requirement. So first of all I am going to change the collection banner. So click on the collection banner, then you can see that it's show collection description and here is the collection title. Then we can add collection image. Looks here, this is the collection image. And now your question is that how you can change this image or how this image is visible in here. So it's so easy to find. Just go to your collection page and looks here glass wire, click on it and here is the collection image banner that displaying in here. Okay, then we are going to the product grid section and here we are going to change color. Looks good. Okay, and then we can change image shape as our requirement. Looks here, looks so nice. You can see the different so you can use any image shape as your requirement. So I like this image shape. Looks here, the hover effect make it so more unique. Then we can select show second image in hover. Looks here, if there any second image then it will show in hover. Show vendor, if we want to show vendor then we can add. Show product rating, enable quick add to cart button. Looks here, we can add enable quick add to cart button in here. Okay, then if we want to add any more section we can add it in here. Just click on the add section and we can add rich text. If you want to add any relevant information in here then we can add it. Shop now and add a button. Okay, perfect. Also you can add more section in here. Testimonial collapsible row, like add a FAQ section, change it FAQ. Then we can add FAQ content in here. Then if you want to add more section we can add, for example we can add multi column and here we can add testimonial. review, and we can add review in here. Change the background color of this section. Okay, then add text in here in the button. See all, review, add hash link. Looks good. We can add padding button in here, make it more professional. Okay, then finally click on the save. Now we're going to reload this collection page, and looks here, looks here, looks so good and professional. If we add content in here, then the content will be displayed in this FAQ section. Let me show you. Just going to copy this content, FAQ, add content, content, save. Looks good. Okay, also you can add a padding in here, padding. Okay, now check very carefully. Perfect. So I hope you understand everything, how we have customized this section and how we have set up everything as our requirement. So I hope you can do it right now by yourself. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.